Think about one thing that upsets you. Think about one human being in your life that has upset you. I'm not going to say that's got you upset, because it never happened. Outside those doors, everyone gets you upset, everybody makes you mad, that's fine. Who can tell me one thing that gets you upset? Anybody want to play this game? If you play this game, then you'll actually benefit other people that are kind of feeling about who. So what is something that gets who's got lying? Okay. Do you get upset when other people lie to you? How should they be? Honest. Well, then you're going to get yourself upset. How many of you are upset when your kids lie to you? How many of you, when you tell one of your kids no, they go to the other teacher and they ask the other teacher, and the other teacher goes yes, and you get mad at the child because they shouldn't go to the other teacher, and you get mad at the other teacher because the other teacher was supposed to psychically know that that child already asked you that question. And it shouldn't be that way. But if you're in court and the judge gives you an opinion and gives you a judgment, do you have to accept it, or can you do something? What can you do with it? You don't have to accept it. What are the